Hello, everyone, and welcome to the lounge with me, Amanya. I'm so glad that you're here today. Today, we are doing a little DIY and we are making our body butter, Shea whipped body butter. And if you're like, oh no, whipped, I don't have a blender or I don't have, electronics to do this thing, all you need is the muscle, man. That's all you need is muscle. And so we're going to make that today a beautiful shea butter that's wonderful for your skin and simple to make, simple ingredients. It's going to have shea butter, coconut oil, some sweet almond oil, and also some vitamin E oil, and whatever your favorite oil that you would like to add in. And I'm adding in two of my favorite oils, which is going to be Gardenia oil. I love Gardenia. It's just a special oil, and I've actually tried to find it in my area here in Florida, and I have not been able to find it. The last time I was able to get Gardenia oil was when I was visiting New Jersey back in 2022, early last year. I got me a nice little bottle, and I still have half of it left. And I'm going to tell you this: all of last year, all of 2022, I gave up perfumes. So all I used was oils. And one of the favorites was my Gardenia oil. So my bottle is now half empty because I've put it in my DIY deodorants, my whip shea butter body cream, and I use it as perfume. And I'll tell you what, when I use my Gardenia oil as perfume, everywhere I go, people are like, "What are you wearing? What is it?" And I'm just like, "It's just Gardenia oil." Gardenia oil, yeah, yeah. So I went on that Gardenia oil rant because it's just, I love it. So anyway, that's the oil that I'm putting into my butter today. And I'm also putting in a little bit of lemon oil. That's another favorite of mine. I've just discovered oils and I just put them in everything. So lemon oil and Gardenia oil is going to be my essentials for the fragrance, and it smells so wonderful. So if you're interested in seeing that video, then stay tuned. So before quickly, I just would like to say one of the reasons I love making my own products is because of the health benefits. And you also, what's going on in your body, you know what you're putting on your skin, you know what you're doing. I even make my own face powder, and that's going to be a video at some point. So I like doing these natural things because you know what's in it, and and it's easy to make. So that is one of the reasons I do it, and I hope you all will enjoy the video, and I'm just happy to share the things that I do with these DIYs and everything that I do here on the channel, cooking and everything else that I do. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in there in the making process. literally less than 10 minutes for me to make the butter. Here it is. It's soft. It's just so soft. See, look at that. And it smells so wonderful. I tell you, that Gardenia oil, man. And that lemon, oh, and it's so good. Oh, it just smells so, 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 so nice. And I still have, I use maybe not even half the container of shea butter. So, and this is actually, I have two of these. They've made two of these. So I have one to leave in my purse when I want to travel. Matter of fact, I'm getting ready to travel tomorrow. So one of the reasons I made my extra stuff, so I'll have my deodorant with me in a little container and my little body stuff with me on my travels. So I'm just so glad that we were able to do this video. Again, this thing smells so wonderful. It's great. Easy, breezy, and it's good for you. So thanks so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm doing here on the lounge. All right, so thanks again. I'll see y'all in my next video.